Hello everyone. This is Alexi. Kami siya nga cake, regalo ni sa kuha sa kong church mates. Si Ate Lolet o si Ate Joy. I know that this cake is very good quality. Ate Lolet, unsa ni siya? Chocolate cake ni siya ate or caramel? Ube? Ube makapuno. Ube makapuno te. Sponsored ni Ate Joy ug ni Ate Lolet. Churchmate nako sa Emmanuel. I am so grateful na they are very truthful. I really appreciate their truthfulness. Thank you Ate Joy and Ate Lolet. May the good Lord to continue to bless you more and more. Not only for myself, but for the people as well.